Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying whether the issue is your network or the ISP. Use mobile data to check outage reports or call ISP. Once confirmed, power cycle both modem and router. Unplug for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug modem first, wait for sync, then power router. Watch the front panel lights. Power, WAN/internet, and wireless bands should come back. If a light stays red or amber, note which one. This tells you whether the problem is link, authentication, or hardware. Once lights look normal, log into the router's admin page to inspect the WAN status. You need to see a public or routed IP from the modem. If none, confirm PPPoE or static credentials are correct. Replace the WAN Ethernet cable and try another LAN port to rule out a bad cable or port. While logged in, check the router's firmware version and update if available. Outdated firmware can break connectivity. Save settings and reboot the router after any credential or firmware change. Finish by testing connectivity from a client. Run ping to 8 and a DNS name to isolate routing versus DNS. If pings to IPs work but names fail, change DNS to 1 or 8 temporarily. If problems persist, restore a saved configuration or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Export settings before wiping. After reset, re-enter ISP credentials and firmware updates. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, connect a single PC directly to the modem to confirm ISP layer before replacing router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.